Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys different kinds of hauls. Thrifted, very small though, and a bit of Target, and an Ipsy. So I've held on to this stuff for about a week or two. I did film a video like a week and a half ago, but I didn't like how the video turned out because of the quality. I was not gonna edit that and make myself look unsick, so I just thought, well, I'm just gonna do the video at a different time, and now I'm ready. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by showing you guys my Ipsy box. So I already opened it, but let me show you some of the products in the Ipsy box. And here are the 5 items that I got and picked out. So this is just the Ofra eye palette. So you got some pretty colors here, and here is the beautiful colors here. You got the purples, the greens, and some of the shimmery colors. So very fall. So very cute packaging. Next one is this lovely 2-in-1 concealer and tint, and it's the brand Keys. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's a very cute bottle. I haven't used it, so I'm really excited to swatch it, try it out, and see how it works. And it's in the shade, actually I don't even know what the shade. I think it shows me on the app. Not 100% sure. Next product is Yensa. So this one is a concealer. I ended up with 2 concealers. Sorry, there's like yelling in the background because my son is playing with this marble run and he gets really into it. So here is this super serum silk concealer. Very cute. I did swatch it already. Oh, it's pretty nice. It's very soft, so I'm actually really looking forward to using it on my skin. I use my Tarte every day and I love that product. It's probably the best concealer I've used thus far, but I will be trying this concealer. And then the next one is Lovecraft and Beauty. Very cute packaging. And this one is a lip liner, and this is what it looks like. Neutral color, very pretty. And then I think on the other end it comes with a brush, so I just like make it, blend nicely. So that is pretty neat. Next one is a lipstick, and I will show you guys the shade. Here we go. So I open it and it's just this really pretty color. So this will go really well with this one. So looking forward to trying that out. And that is all for my Ipsy haul. So this is my Target haul. Again, I did wear some of this stuff already, but I wish you guys could have seen it the first time because I had the prices and everything. I honestly don't remember which prices, but you could definitely find it at your local Target. So here's the first one. I bought this right away, but it's super cute. It's just like this plain, like gray, oversized top, and it's Wild Fable. Very simple. I'll show you guys how it looks like on. I just love how like simple and oversized it is because I just love simple looks. And then next one is this New York sweater. Fell in love with this the moment I saw it. I just love how like it kind of gives me like hip-hop vibes, the early 2000s, 90s. So I just love that look. So I got this t-shirt. I'm not sure if I showed it in another video, but I got this. Very juvenile, but I just love it. It says Lover, and it's got these cute little rhinestones on it. And I don't know, simple black. Love their t-shirts. Okay, next one is, I got this from the kids section. It's Cat and Jack. Because again, I am very petite. I got these pants. They're just like comfortable lounge around type of look, And I also bought it in like a teal color as well. But it's just very comfortable. Next one, I got this like denim long skirt. The slit down in the middle. And I got it for like 10 bucks. And this was in the clearance section. 00 universal thread. Just love the look. And this will fit well when I go back to Utah. Next one, had to pick this up. It is the Beetlejuice sweater. I have not worn this yet, but I'm really looking forward to it because I have some black sweats that would match perfectly with this. So I'll be wearing it all October long, and got this in an extra small. And I think that's all for my Target. Oh, one more thing. So I really like the shirt. Again, Wild Fable area. This is a licensed shirt. But it's so cute. It's got like these little ties right here on the side, and it cinches, and it's got a cute little star. Again, I'm like, I'm too old to be wearing this, but I fit into it, so why not? And then I did get this from Amazon, this famous like TikTok sweater that I always see. I don't know, very influencer-ish. I don't know if you guys seen this on Instagram, them posting it, but it's so cute. It's just, I mean, it's like ugly but like cute, comfy. Well, I like it. It's oversized. And I'm going to show you guys my thrifted items. It's only like 4 items literally, so very small. I picked up 2 lovely lady dolls. They are so cute. Look how adorable they are. So this one's very like Victorian. Oh, her hair keeps messing up. She looks very Victorian. My son kept taking her head off. But super cute. And then you have this like angel. She looks like she could be part of like the topper for a tree. But she's gonna be sitting on my little table area. So I just love her like blonde curly hair. She looks like Goldilocks. She's so cute. And my husband like got very creeped out when I saw them. And he's like, yeah, you're not bringing this to home. So there we go. Very cute dolls. And then I got 2 vinyl records, which got this one, Neil Diamond. And then it has their songs in the back. And then I got this one, 14 Karat Country, and then it has all the different artists. So that is all for this video, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. And oh yeah, I want to show you guys this cute little top that I got. You guys probably seen it on my other Shein haul. But yeah, it's really cute, and this is also from Shein. It's a little see-through, but it's so cute. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.